Yo, what's up guys? I'm here for another video. Today I got a fidget spinner. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the sub, make sure you share and view this video. I really appreciate it. So today is gonna be the fidget spinner. I actually really like this. Wasn't really sure if I was gonna buy this or if I was just gonna skip it, but I actually got one and I really like it. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so you open this like that, and it comes in here, and it's like this. You hold it, and it spins. See how long it spins for? Alright, so we got the spinner. There it goes. Spin it on your desk, spin it on your hand. This thing spins forever. So if you guys want to go get one, I would suggest to go get one. mine spins for like an hour. You can spin them like on the floor, on the desk. Let's spin it on the desk. Alright guys, so if you want to go get a fidget spinner, you could check out the link down below, subscribe, or message me on Facebook. Hit that link. It should be over here or over here, down there. But check out my social media, Facebook. Send me a message if you want a fidget spinner. And go get a fidget spinner. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. I really hope you guys like it. Make sure you go get a fidget. Hit one of these buttons over here and you should go down to a link. But check that out. Send me a message. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.